Is VUL a scam? Or ano ba ang difference nito sa Buy Term Invest a Difference or BTID? And pinagkakitaan ka lang ba ng advisor mo or yung agent mo? So sagutin natin yan with this vlog guys. No? So marami nagtatanong sa atin and usually kahit sa mga friends natin tinatanong yan, ano ba ang mas maganda? Buy Term Invest a Difference or kumuha na lang kami ng VUL? No? And scam nga ba tong VUL? No? So actually guys, it's two different things or two different approach no, in terms of your financial plan. So basically, just to answer agad yung tanong na yan, is it a scam? For me, of course, no, hindi naman siya allowed ng insurance commission kung hindi siya legit, no. So I think it's not a scam, no. And the problem I think is maybe the way it's being sold or the proper disclosures no tinatawag sa mga kliyente, no. So I think if you're an agent tapos you failed to give expectations, kumbaga you are promising sun and moon, di ba, yung stars etc to your clients, no, kumbaga sinasabi mo na lalaki yung pera nila, no, which is it's very hard for a VUL to achieve kasi VUL at the first place is an insurance product, no. So kumbaga mas majority talaga insurance product to, hindi siya investment to grow your capital talaga, no. It's more of a protection type of investment. So again, I think dito nagkakaproblema na sinasabi it's a good investment, it will grow your money, no, kumbaga mga expected returns guaranteed etc, no. So I think no, after these years when I started invested with VUL, no, I think before, so of course na kinancel ko yun sa akin, no, but because for me my opinion is always buy term and invest at difference, but for me, no, but for people na minsan nagre-recommend ko mag VUL kayo if ever for convenience talaga na wala kang oras mag-invest and you want to get a insurance and investment product wrap into one, no, mas madali sa'yo, isang hulog na lang, no, okay sa iyo yung VUL. Kung wala ka lang time, ayaw mo mag-aral, gusto mo lang isang hulog, isang bayad, no, meron ka ng investment plus insurance, okay yan, VUL. But of course, if you have spare time, if you want to save on cost, kasi usually mataas talaga yung fees ng mga VUL, no, because of management, yan, mga insurance costs, mga commissions, etc. So if you want to save on those, no, and you can directly, diba, invest naman sa mutual funds, UITF or stocks, mas better sa iyo yung buy term invest a difference. So basically, let's say if you're paying 5,000 a month for a VUL for example lang, and for a term insurance 1,000 lang, so that's a difference of 4,000 that you could invest into, di ba, to other, kumbaga, lesser fees and less, kumbaga, and of course you have control more than sa pera mo. So those are the pros and cons, but technically hindi naman yan scam yung VUL, so I think